This demo shows how sketch worksheets can be used in a heart diagram exercise. The problem statement on the right-hand side of the sketch instructs the student to draw and label the four chambers of the heart, and to draw arrows representing blood flow from the right atrium and from the left atrium. To complete the worksheet, the student sketches on the background image. Everything the student draws is a glyph and is given a conceptual label from a list of relevant concepts defined by the author of the worksheet. To determine the correctness of the chambers drawn by the student, CogSketch uses quantitative ink comparison, which checks for ink overlap between the student sketch and the solution sketch. To represent blood flow between the chambers, the student draws arrows, which are used to represent relationships. CogSketch uses the direction of the arrow to automatically determine the arguments to the relation, blood flows. To determine the correctness of the blood flow arrows, CogSketch looks for qualitative similarities and differences between the relations in the student sketch and the solution sketch. When the student is ready, they can request on-the-spot feedback to see if their sketch is correct. The worksheet coach creates an analogical mapping between the student sketch and the solution sketch. The differences between the two sketches, along with correctness criteria defined by the worksheet author, are used to generate feedback. In a real worksheet, the student would not see this mapping, so the solution would remain hidden. Instead, they would only see their feedback. In this case, the feedback indicates that one of the blood flow arrows is incorrect. The student can revise their sketch, and CogSketch will automatically update the arguments to the relationship. The student can request feedback again, and this time there are no further suggestions.